I found out about Sadhguru on my own, and I remember I stopped following him on purpose because, I was a bit skeptical.
Yeah.
Okay, this is someone who claims to be a guru trying to monetize on people. I was very prejudiced. And then I saw his face, and I saw something about the inner engineering, and I was intrigued at that time. Instead, it was mind blowing for me. I don't know. It touched me in a way that I haven't felt anything else touch me in as well, because it was a totally new beginning for me, because I had never looked at life in that way before. And because literally it's like someone's drawing the bullshit out of you. At the same time, if I just sit down and look back, nothing is the same. I never thought in my life that such a day would come where I wouldn't have suicidal thoughts, because if I hadn't done these practices, my life wouldn't look the way it is. It is like, okay, what Sadhguru's tools has given me, and what he's given me, is a complete new life, And especially my grandma, she's not with us anymore, but she was always a bit skeptical about these things, and my grandfather as well. But he's like, yeah, that yoga is good for you. Okay, good for you, right? We know there's a lot of changes. It's good for you. Well, but if you're doing it in a Swedish family, so to speak, it's like, what sound are you making? They're like, oh, what are you on? Yeah, I did try I did attempt to take my life 2 times.
This was when?
The first time I was forced in taking out, because at that time people knew I did try it. The suicidal thoughts, because they still resided within me, even though I failed my first attempt. And I was on quite a lot of medications. By the end of 2019, I think I was taking 8 or 9 medications daily. 40s, and it just gives me the chill to the bones, And I didn't really want to work in the bar again, both up and down. So I would say that if you're having these challenges with ADHD or ADD or autism, apart from the practices, you really need to look after yourselves in all the other aspects of day-to-day life as well, because I know, there's simple things, but also the most difficult things. I stopped smoking cigarettes. It's the first time visiting India. It was I feel at home in that climate,